my friends, welcome back to another video. Well, this one's gonna be a little bit short right now. So what's up guys, CapCapMC here from the Skyward Shell, and today I just did something awesome. I hope Epic will be proud of me, Epic Cars Game will be proud of me, because I just beat a parkour. It says you complete one out of 3 parkour in this lobby, so I just beat one of the parkour stuff, and I'm really excited. Epic, you better be proud of me, because you always say that I'm not good, but I finally finished one, and you should be proud of me. So guys, if you want to see me do this parkour, you know, I won't be talking. I'll just add some music to it and just stuff like that. Please leave please leave some likes. Let's say I would like to see maybe let's try 3 likes. If we can get 3 likes, I will definitely do it. If we get maybe 5 likes, that means that you guys really want me to do it. So yeah. So please leave some likes and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.